there, sweet friends. I hope you are well. I want to thank everyone who joined me for our 12 Days of Christmas in July series. All the views, likes, and comments really help my channel, and it is so much fun getting to know you all through the question of the day. Thanks also to Hubby, who creates such amazing intros for our videos. He works behind the scenes to make me look good, and I cannot do it without him. Now it's time to draw the winner of our Christmas faux globe card we created for day 12. In this bowl is the name of everyone who played along with the rules. I apologize in advance if I mispronounce your name. There is 100% chance I will, so the names are copied and pasted directly from the comments. Good luck for everyone who entered. And the winner is Hannah D. 855. Congratulations, Hannah. Can you reach out to me through the Polly's Paper Studio Facebook in a private message so I can get your contact information? That's it for today. Thanks again for another awesome series. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check in the description for links. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye.